Hello guys, this is a quick unbox of this Tadeto sound level meter that I got from Amazon. So let's just open the box and see what's inside. So here I have a small bag. Let me just open it up. There we go. A user manual, some batteries, and here the device. There we go, just removing the plastic. And here I have it, okay? Tadeto sound level meter. Here in the back, see I can insert the battery here, and it comes with this Phillips screwdriver, so I can open it up and put the battery inside. So let me just do this so you can see how it works. I'm gonna open here and insert the battery, right? The battery is inside. Let me just close it up. So here I have it, it's working already. So when I make some noise here, I can already see the information here on the display, okay? So that's just a quick unbox. It's working pretty good. And later I'm gonna talk more about this device, okay? You can get yours on Amazon.